Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Kiwi here. Today I'm gonna take you with me to Goodwill or somewhere else. I have no idea where I'm going, but so far I am having a success. It is almost, sorry, I'm looking at my calendar, and of course there's gotta be a horn blowing. So sorry for the background noise. My door is open. Hopefully it's not gonna rain on us because I think it's gonna rain. But anyways, the reason why I was looking at my calendar was because it's almost spring cleaning. So hint, I am spring cleaning. I just cleaned out my car yesterday. I wish I would have taken a video clip for that, but I didn't because it was already dark time already. And I have a crap load of junk. Like, it's just junk. Like, do I really need it? No, because it's just collecting dust. So I'm gonna show you the success that I have created. I mean, there was a lot of crap in my car. I'm gonna try and make this PG, so maybe I need to blur some stuff out, but we'll see. My couch is covered right now, okay? So further ado, let's get into the video because I hate long intros. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. So here's all the stuff. This pile is what I'm keeping. The bags is what I'm taking to Goodwill. I have Walmart bags and Sida bags because this bag I got from a trip, so I want to keep it. I got some clothes, shoes and junk and all of that there. And then this is what I'm gonna keep. Keep toilet paper, why not? Funny story about this toilet paper. It was a decoration. It was like a pumpkin. It had like felt on it, so I just took it apart, and who knew it was toilet paper. So there's the fun in that. And then there's my dog. So this is staying because it's baby stuff. And by the way, you guys, we're pregnant, so yeah, we're gonna keep that. And my husband was in Cub Scouts and he earned these, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, there's that. Believe it or not, those 3 boxes are staying. I might change my mind, I don't know. There's a little pooch. Like I said, I'm spring cleaning, so I'm so sorry about the mess. That box right there is staying for sure. That has clothes in it. I don't know what's in that suitcase, and I don't know what's in that bag, but I'm just trying to make it all in one trip. And he likes his bone. So yeah, again, I'm sorry for the mess. And also that high chair right there is gonna go to Once Upon a Child. Some of like the baby stuff that I don't want is going to Once Upon a Child, so that way it can be used, and also we get money for it. So that's one good thing. But anyways, I'll put all the stores down below to let you know where we went. And again, sorry for the background noise, but yeah, so I'm just gonna take you with me. All right, bye bye. Okay, you want to say bye bye? You want to say bye bye? Say bye bye, doggy. Bye bye. And there he goes. Oh, he's back. Get your ball. You want to say bye bye? Oh, say bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, you guys, so we are getting ready. I have my purse, which is right here, and I am at the door and gonna take you with me. Bye. I'm gonna show you real quick. I have these 2 bags with me, and I also have my stuff that is in my car, so I'm gonna take it down with me. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to show you real quick in the back of my car. So there's that one bag and there's that other bag. And then we got all this other stuff in here. So like I said, I told you that I had some stuff here. So all right, let's go. Hey guys, okay, so we were just at Goodwill. Everything went fine. I have a receipt right here to prove it. And yeah, so it looks like we're just gonna go home and try and get some more stuff to donate. So all right, like I can't really record and drive right now. I'm parked right now, so we'll get back to you later. Bye. Hey guys, okay, so I just dropped off everything and I am home now. There's a lot more room to walk around, and so yeah, it was a very successful place. All I had to do was park at the drop off and they do it for you. And also what's good about doing Goodwill is that if you get a receipt like this, the receipt, and if you keep it, and I think you have to fill out a form. Yeah, I think that's what this is. You got to fill out a form. I think that's what that is right there. And then at the end of the year, you can have it put on your taxes. So that's one good thing about that. But anyways, I mean, I wasn't really doing it for money. I was just basically, let's get rid of all this junk and somebody else can have it instead of just like collecting dust. But it was a success. They were really nice people. They were friendly. It was a lady. She helped me out and I loved her nails. They were so cute. It was really fast. I pulled up there, opened my car, and it was gone. And my car is successfully cleaned out. So it'll be ready for when the baby comes. So yeah. I think that's about it. I just wanted to show you, and plus it would have been another video for me to post here on Monday. So if you like these kind of videos, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more. My videos will be on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays unless something happens. But I don't think anything's gonna happen unless I just didn't record. So excuse me. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.